Hey guys, welcome to this new video, and in this one I'm going to show you how you can upload your video on YouTube and get yourself ranked, have many people see your videos and grow your channel in a short amount of time. So let's get inside and have a look. So as you can see guys, this is my YouTube, and these are the videos that have been suggested to me, so they have been recommended to me. So they are recommended videos, and these videos, if I click onto them and watch them, they will get recommended traffic or suggested traffic. So that's not the point of the video, guys. The point is how to upload a video. Now, if you see the button here, the camera button here, you click onto that and you click on upload video. Now, you will need to have your video prepared to upload a video. Yes, you'll be directed to this, to a window like this. This will be your studio. This is the new version, and this is the upload with classic version. But it doesn't matter what version you're uploading. So I'll be going to upload in the new one because it's the year 2020. So let's select file. And I'll just look for my file. Where is it? So it's So I'll select my file and upload the video. The video here shows, it shows the percentage here, how much percentage the video is being uploaded. And this is the title for my video. How to make money with YouTube and clickbank for beginners. I should have put brackets, step by step. Good. Now here is a description, guys. The description is similar to, let me show you. So if you're doing a search, let's say fitness, again, fitness, and the searches that will appear will be like this, and this is the description that you will be looking for. Now anybody who will be entering anybody who will be searching will be looking for information that are interesting or they are interested at. Now if there is nothing in the description box, your video is not giving the important information what the video is about. So to get a description, to have a proper description, I recommend to use a website called wordcounter.net. What it does, guys, it allows you to type in your description already, and you just have to copy and paste. You just have to copy and paste in while your video is being uploaded. And I've copied and pasted my description. I don't know why it is taking so much time to get uploaded. Now, what I want to mention is, if you look at the title, it says how to make money with YouTube and clickbank for beginners. And the description is, if you want to learn how to make at least with YouTube and clickbank. So I'm using keywords here, guys. My keywords are YouTube and clickbank. Watch this video where I give you step by step. A step by step is another keyword that if ever someone types a step by step process, my video can appear in his search. How to promote affiliate products, this is another keyword, and don't even have to make Okay, you don't need to make or film any videos. Any videos. Good. Okay. I talk about monetizing, affiliate commission, and etc. Good. And I also recommend to check my number one recommendation, which helps people actually to scale, grow their own online business if they want to. And why I chose these guys, I'm able to upload a thumbnail that I'm going to create on Canva. I'm able to list in my playlist and select the audience. And I selected no, it is not made for kids because I'm not showing any kids in my videos. Something like this. Now, the next is I've already done this. Now comes the tag section. Okay, now the tag section. Well, first of all, I'll type what there is in my title: how to make money with YouTube. How someone can make money with clickbank, YouTube and clickbank. That's not right. Just copy it again. How to make money with clickbank. I have to type it then. How to make money with clickbank. Good. How to make money with affiliate marketing. How to get affiliate commissions, affiliate commission. I'll also go in and type my name, and it's about online entrepreneur, and these are recommended tags that I can use. Make money. This one is nice. How to make money without making videos, and I talk about it. I forgot to tag it, and I can type how to make with YouTube. And so on. So I'll prefer to leave it like this. Yeah, that's fine for now. And I'll go on and click on next. Let me do a quick check if I need to change any other things or not. Click my number one recommendation, my 4 free videos training on how to make money online with amazing bonuses, my sales funnel provider. Yeah, I want you guys, I want to tell you guys why my title is long, why my title is so long. I could have typed how to make money online, or I could have typed how to make money with YouTube, but I chose how to make money with YouTube and clickbank for beginners. As you can see guys, this title is quite long, and I'm using a strategy. I'm using two strategies to grow my channel, and it is how to do something, how to make money, how to do it, how to do that. And this strategy actually is called long tail keywords. So I'm making use of long tail keywords and how to videos, because this was quite searched by viewers on YouTube. So if people are looking for search videos and I provide search videos, the possibility, the probability of my videos being viewed by people increases, and this will grow my channel. So I click on next. Oh, I haven't put my thumbnail, I'll put it later. Now when the video has finished uploading, you can add end screen or add cards. So let's add an end screen. End screens are suggested videos that you want your viewers to look at when they have completed watching your video. And if I want my viewers to subscribe to my channel or like my videos, I can do it. I can add something similar like this. I want them to subscribe, so I put an element for them to just subscribe to my channel. What if I create a video? Choose a video or playlist. I want people to watch what? To watch, let's say I did a review of my #1 recommendation, so I would like people to have a look at that. Here it is. So I'll just create the element and they're working on it. And screen could not be loaded. Okay, cancel. I believe the dimensions of my video is not enabling, is not permitting this to create an end screen. But you get the idea, guys, how you can create an end screen for your videos. So return to YouTube Studios. Yes, I'm going to leave. So you can also add cards. Cards are information that appears on top of your video. If we add card, let's say at what minutes I want to add a card, and if I remember correctly, I teach how I said something at the time of, let's say I said something like in the beginning I said I make videos on how to make money, so I can add a card, add a video that I want my viewers to be directed to without them being annoyed. So if I put this video like a review, so I tap in create card and the card is created. So it will appear here when the viewer reaches 59 seconds of my video. This will pop off and show this information right here. So return back to YouTube Studio, and after you've done inserting your cards in your video, make sure it is related actually, because it so that it does not get annoying for your viewers to see similar things in all your videos or something like this. And when this is done, guys, you can click on next, and you click on public, or if you want, you can click on unlisted. Unlisted or is when you share your link with someone, then these people are able to view your videos. Not anyone will be able to view your videos. And private, these videos are for you, and you can also schedule your videos and see when you want to upload them. And so I want to upload them now, public. So I click on publish and the video is uploaded. And here I can share my video, etc. Now, so this is it. So this is it, guys, for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you got value, and I hope you got to know how to upload a YouTube video inside of YouTube. So if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And do check the #1 recommendation that I encourage people to look at in order to get themselves set off for an online business and a passive income lifestyle. It's been fun, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.